the top 3 things that chemistry students love the most in chemistry class. Number 3, chemistry students absolutely love clear explanations, which includes clear definitions, clear examples, clear applications of concepts, because when they have clarity, it makes the understanding of the concepts even better. Number 2, chemistry students absolutely love extra practice to deepen understanding. The more they interact with the concepts in questions, the sharper they get and the better prepared they are for tests and other assessments. And the number 1 thing that all chemistry students absolutely find amazing is immediate feedback for every assessment. Oh yes, because students put a lot of energy into understanding concepts and then making a good effort to come up with the most efficient solutions for the highest performance outcomes. So when they put in all that work, they need to get immediate feedback. And that's what I try to capture with my resources. So check out my resources and remember to be awesome chemists. This is Orlando Bloomfield from Chemistry Core. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more educational chemistry videos. On Wednesdays, we have a Chemistry Kids series. You can click here to view the playlist. On our website, we have interactive chemistry games to help students excel in their chemistry exam. Thank you for watching. See you again, same time tomorrow.